Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad designer shoutout. So let's get cracking. Friends, we're on my website, HLModTech.com. It is a fantastic place to learn about Tinkercad. I've got a tab dedicated to it with tons of amazing lessons. And then also down at the bottom, there is a sweet built-in messaging tool. Friends, if you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, you can click there and shoot it to me almost instantly. Friends, I also want to highlight the Tinkercad Community Discord. This right here is an invite. You can click on that and join it. There are almost 300 users, and it's a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. Friends, without any further ado, let's paste in today's share link. Friends, this is a fantastic aircraft created by Huskanian Naval Star Forces. It's a little bit complex, so let's take a moment to watch it load. It is only the third airplane he's ever created. You can see it has got a nameplate of Chunky Ned, and then over here in the red version, it has got the awesome shark jaws. That is epic. Alright friends, so I used hide so that we can zoom in and take a look at this. It is based off a German Me-262 from World War II, and it is built for racing. As you can see, friends, it has 3 sets of counter-rotating propellers, and the canopy can slide forward and back as well. Friends, let's take a look at the open cockpit version. Check that out. What amazing details. Huskanian Naval Star Force, this is a fantastic aircraft, and thank you so much for taking time to share. Friends, remember, if you ever make something that you think is awesome and want to share it with me, it is so simple. You simply click this button right here, generate a link, copy that link, and then you can reach out and share it with me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, Gmail, and TikTok. And you can find me on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. Of course, friends, if those options don't work for you, you can also visit HLModTech.com. Friends, I've got a fantastic page dedicated to Tinkercad with tons of amazing lessons. And then down at the bottom is that sweet built-in messaging tool. Click that button, add your information, hit send, and reach me almost instantly. Friends, don't forget you can also find us in the Tinkercad Community Discord, a fantastic place to talk everything Tinkercad. And then finally, down below, we have the sweet Designer Showcase. Friends, the Designer Directory has so many amazing users' profiles. Make sure you check them out and give them cool reactions. And friends, down below, we have the Tinkercad Design Nuclear Reactor, a great way to promote your Tinkercad designs. And then finally, friends, if you want a shout out, here is the Request a Shoutout form with a video tutorial if you need more steps. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks again to Huskanian Naval Star Force. Oh my gosh, epic design, and he also wanted me to make sure I told you guys to have a great day. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.